Welcome to the Searching Overview tutorial for Bishop Hendrick's Online Public Access Catalog, or OPAC as we call it. The OPAC allows users like you to perform various searches for text you may need to access either for classes at Hendricken or for your own personal research. The library search page contains several options for you to search by: keyword, title, author, subject, and series. This tutorial will focus on keyword and title searching. First, let's try a keyword search. If you are in Mr. Wynn's 10th grade history class, you will need a biography on one of the big three: George Washington, John Adams, or Thomas Jefferson. Let's try a keyword search for George Washington. Our search yields 53 results that contain the keywords we searched. We know that we need a biography for Mr. Wynn's class, so let's take a look at George Washington, the founding father. Within the record, we can see a brief description of the title, publication information, other related topics linked if we'd like to search for them further, and also awards that this book has won. When you scroll back to the top, we can also see that this book is currently available in our library for checkout, and we can also see the call number that will help us find the book on the shelves. Now let's try a new search. Mr. Wynn mentioned in class that the biography on John Adams titled John Adams, A Life by John Ferling is a good research. So let's do a title search. You can see that we have two search results here. That is because the second title also contains all of the words we searched in this title. Let's take a closer look at our choice, John Adams, A Life. Again, we find a brief description of the book, some links to related topics, and publication information. We can also see the call number and that the title is available for checkout. Now you have a better understanding of how to search the catalog to help you complete the Big Three research paper.